Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to configure Profinet I/O of PLC GE by using software Proficy Machine Edition version 9.0. Here is the hardware that I have. Yes, I have a power supply, CPE, 310 ETM001, and here is the Profinet controller 001, and this is a rack, and I also have the Profinet scanner. Here is the serial, yes, and this is the I/O module that I already connected to the Profinet scanner. Okay, so let's start configuration for this hardware. Yes, okay, so let's go to our software Proficy Machine Edition version 9.0. Okay, so here is the software Proficy Machine Edition that I already installed to my PC. Okay, so let's open. Take time a little bit, yes, for open this software. Okay, so first let's go to create the new project. Okay, so to create the new project, right click on my computer and create a new project. Example project Profinet config, Profinet hardware config, yes, like this. And I will choose the empty project first, yes, so click OK. And then let's choose the right click on our project and go to GE Intelligent Platform Controller, and I will choose PLC System A3i because right now I use this model. Okay, so this is a target name. Example, I choose the Profinet. Okay, like this. And I will choose the Ethernet module, yes, and let's go to hardware configuration. So first configure the power supply. Right now I use module PSD 040, yes, that we already mentioned in the slide, yeah, this one. And the next step, we will insert the CPU, yes, CPE 310. Okay, so drag and drop this one to slot number 1, yes, and replace the module because this is a CPE 3C0. So right now I will use CPE 310, yes, click OK, and then choose OK. Okay, so here for CPE 310, it has on board for Ethernet module, yes, So this one we need to set up the IP address also. So I will choose the true for map the address. Yes, and then let's double click, and then this terminal, yes, we can mention the name as we want. Example node 01 slot 01 CPE. Okay, like this, and it will provide 80 bits for Ethernet module. Yes, so we put 80 bits. Okay, and this one for the IP address. Yes, I need to insert the IP address. Example 192.168.0.100. Okay, 101, like this. It's up to you. Yes, so this one is subnet max, so normally 255.255.255.0. Yes. Okay, so that's all for Ethernet module of CPE. Yes. So let's go to CPU memory. Yes. So we need to adjust some memory. Example, analog input. We can choose 512. Yes. Maximum is 3000. Sorry, 30,000. Yes. 512, like this. %W, example 30,000, 30,000 also. Yes, this one 30,000 also. Yes, this is memory of CPU. Yes, so in the next step we need to create the Ethernet module, right? So insert the Ethernet module in slot number 3. Yes, for communication between our computer and PLC for download and upload. Okay, so choose communication and then go to ETM001. Okay, and here we need to create the IP address also. Okay, so create the IP address 192.168.0.example.10, like this. And this one max subnet max, so 255.255.255.0. Okay, and I will choose the variable mode for true, otherwise it will use the %I. Yes, so we no need to use this address, so create the variable mode. Yes, right click and then map variables. Example slot 03, sorry, node 02 slot 03 ETM, like this. And we will provide 80 bits also, the same as the CPE for Ethernet module. Yes, so that's all for Ethernet module configuration. Let's save our project a little bit. Yes, in the next step we will configure the PNC Profinet controller. Yes, so let right click and then add the module, and let's go to the bus module. Yes, and choose the IC695PNC001. Yes, Profinet controller AR3i. Yes, okay. So right now we already create. Yes, insert from the PNC. Yes, so this one we can use the variable mode for map also. So I will choose true. Yes, and I will map the address also for variable mode. So this one example node 01 slot 04 PNC 001. Yes, like this, and it will use the 32 bits for this. So array 32. Okay, and this is the IP address and the name of the device. Yes, okay, so this one we no need to change. Yes, everyone want to change, it's up to you, because this one is the IP of default IP of PNC. Yes, so for me I'm not change. Yes, it will connect from 192.168.0.1 until 192.168.0.254. Okay, so let's go to the next step. The next step, we must create the Profinet controller, sorry, for Profinet scanner. Yes, IO for IO modules. So let's go to config. So right click on the PNC001 and then go to add the IO device. Okay, so let's go to this tab. Yes, version PNS. Okay, and make sure we choose the serial number the same as our hardware. Yes, so right now I use IC200 PNS001, so I will choose this one. Yes, let's click OK. Yes, so here we need to use this name and this IP address for connect to the IO module. Okay, so here variable mode we can use the true also. Yes, so I will choose true and then map the address the same as internet module and PNC. Yes, so double click to map the address. Yes, in this step it has the input and output, so we need to map variable one by one. So example node 01 slot 04 PNS. Yeah, underscore in. It means that input. So we will provide it 32 bit for input. Yes, and also output node 01 slot 04. Yes, PNS underscore out. It means that output, and we will provide the 32 bit also for this output. Okay, so in the next step we will create the two power supplies, yeah, for this module. Yes, so right click on the PNS001 and then right click here and then change the symbol. Yes, and then let add one more for power supply because we use two power supplies. Yes, okay, like this. So right now we got two power supply for the PNS. Okay, so let's go to next step. In the next step we must create the I/O module for DI digital input, DO digital output, AI and AO. Yes, this is just for example. I use 4 cards for example. Yes, so right now create the I/O card for this module. So let right click on the PNC and then click change module list. Yes, and click here so we can add the input module. For input module I use this module IC650. Yes, and one more for output module I use MDL750. Yes, and analog input. Yes, let's go to analog input module and I use this one. Yes, ALG264, and the last one for analog output I use ALG331. Yes, and then click OK because we use only 4 modules. Yes, for analog input we must configure more. Yes, so right click, change symbol submodule list. Yes, and then choose for to 20 milliamp because this is a standard. Other project we can everyone can choose 0 to 20 milliamp also. Yeah, for my module, my project I will choose 4 to 20 milliamp. Yes, drag and drop and then click OK. So here it will start from %I number 1. Yes, and output digital output start from %Q number 1. Yes, and for analog input it will start from AI %AI1, and digital output, sorry, analog output it will start from %Q number 1 also. Okay, so right now we already created the I/O module and Profinet controller and Profinet scanner. Okay, so the next step we must download to the our PLC. Yes, so before download let me set the temporary IP for communication first. So I will choose this one .0.10, right? So let's go to here and then click 192.168.0.10. Okay, Okay, right now I already connected the LAN cable, yes, from PLC Ethernet module slot number 3 to my computer, and then make sure you check the rank of our computer with this IP, yes, the same, right? Dot zero dot something, yes. So let's go to set the temporary IP, yes. Offline, yes, set to temporary IP address. So 0099 100 EC 100 EC 29. Okay, and then IP 192.168.0.10. Okay, so let's set. Okay, right now we can set and we can ping for confirm. So ping 192.168.0.10, yes. Okay, right now we can ping from our computer to the Ethernet module, yes. So we can download, yes, online and download. So before online and download, let's go to here, yes, and choose the create, yes, to create the PNS, yes. Don't forget create, otherwise it will be not work. Okay. So PNS we use address, yes, .0.2, right? So right now we save again and then download. Yes, and then we will download the hardware configuration, yes. Stop the CPU first and then download. Yes. Okay, let's click OK to confirm. Operation platform. Okay, so do we have any error? Yes, no error occur. Let's download again. You see, right now the LAN, yes, the LED is not active, yes. So we need to set the IP address for this module also, yes, for this module. So let's set. Okay, I will start the CPU first, and then let's go to the here. Let's go to the tool and utility, yes, and then go to Profinet DCP, yes, click, and then choose the local area connection and refresh device list. Okay, so this one if everyone not see like this, we must use, yes, the set IP by double click and then choose the name from here. Yes, choose the name. Yes, we can copy the name from here and then paste here. Yes, and click the set device name. And one more for IP address, we can Control C for copy and then paste here, and also write the subnet mask. Yes, and then set the IP. Okay, for this module maybe has some percent set already, so it will show like this. So is it? Yes. Okay, so right now the CPU is start. Yes, and then let's see the status again. Yes, after we set name, yes, you see it will show the activate. It means that it can communication between this module with the Profinet scanner. Okay, so this one, so connect. Yes, you see connect. So right now we will test the I/O. Yes, example. Let's go to the I/O table and right click and then new. Yes, example test. So here we can test with a person queue. Yes, person queue 1. Yes. Okay, so if I force person queue 1, yes, the I/O table, yes, the I/O module is on for output. Yes, you see. Okay, I will turn on 16-bit first. And let's see, the point is turned on right now. You see, point is turned on 16 points. Yes, it is the output. Yes, that we force the signal, so it will on. Yes. So this is a concept how to configure the Profinet controller and Profinet scanner I/O module. Okay, we are using the software Proficy Machine Edition. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video. If everyone have any question, please comment under my video. I will reply soon. Okay, so in the next video, everyone will see me the how to create some program in the next videos. And I would like to request everyone to like, share and subscribe my channel also to get more notification and more new video that I will create step by step. Okay, so in this time I would like to say thank you very much again, and see you next videos. Bye bye.